maraming salamat sa puyat, ilang linggo, ilang buwan, yung pagod at hirap ng Batch 1999 officers. Maraming salamat. May this evening be our time to reunite, relax, reminisce, to celebrate the years of bond, connection, and friendship. I would like to express the gratitude to my dear alma mater. Maraming salamat po sa Binangonan Catholic College sa pag-ready nyo sa amin sa tunay na laban ng buhay. Maraming salamat po.
Sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Batch 99, former and present teachers, school personnel, and to the entire Binangonan Catholic College community, I am honored to join all of you in this alumni homecoming. Through this gathering, your batch will have the opportunity to recall the memories that you have made in this institution and reconnect with your friends. All of you, once again, came together to celebrate the 25th year of your success.
My dear friends, this evening, let us remember that never be so busy making a living that you forget lives. That is so important, quote and unquote. Congratulations again, Batch 99. You have a good preparation. Napakaganda ng inyong mga presentation as I expect it. Nobody is permanent. Wala pong permanente. Aalis at may papalit na bago. Pero ang suporta natin, alumni, kahit sinong nakaupo, principal, administrators, director, president, bigay natin ang ating full support. Inspire everyone. Inspire your apos. Inspire everyone that we are in a Catholic institution.